Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow our application to use our current location in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To grant permission to use our GPS, we have to go to Settings. Next we're looking for Security and Privacy option here, and here we have Privacy menu. Right here we have Permission Manager. And we are looking for navigation. Location. Right now, 3 out of 20 apps are allowed to use our current location. Let's add some. For example, camera. Yes, allow while using the app. Yes, please. Precise location. Yes, why not? Back out. And now, as you can see, our camera is allowed to use our navigation while the application is working. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.